Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. We all know that Adenium is one of the most popular summer flowering plants. To get more flowers on Adenium, we need to do few important things and this means March to April is the best time to do. Here in this video, we are going to see everything step by step and if you follow the steps, you would definitely get good result. Here is one of my Adenium plant which I repotted last year. So the very first thing that I am going to do is pruning my Adenium plant. Few very important notes. See, in case you haven't pruned your Adenium yet, most likely you would see flowers or buds on your plant. So you may not like to prune your plant and it's absolutely fine. If we prune, of course we have to wait for some days to get flowers again. But there is a big plus point if we prune, and that is after pruning, plant is going to produce more branches and as a result we would get more flowers and a bushier plant. As you can see, I have pruned 3 branches and kept one as it is, trying to give my plant a good shape, and that's why keeping the other branch as it is. On second, we would need to repot our plant once again. I am loosening the surrounding soil and after that it would be easier to take out the plant from the pot. I have removed the old soil completely and you don't have to worry while doing it. In fact, you can keep your Adenium plant like this way for many days, and even if you do that, Adenium is not going to die. Many also say that if we keep Adenium like this way for next 14 to 15 days, means without repotting, we can get much bigger codex. Honestly saying, I haven't tested it so far and not really sure about it. Going to reuse the same pot, and here I am using a 10-inch pot. If you like, you can also use much shallow pot. For the fresh potting soil mix, I am taking 3 different components in equal part. The first part is normal garden soil, second one is vermicompost, and third one is sand. We can use construction sand. If you like, you can also take 4 different components in equal part, where first one is normal garden soil, second one is coco peat, third one is vermicompost, and last one is sand. If rainfall has already started in your place, then please avoid using coco peat. It's already started in my place and that's why not using the coco peat this time. Alright, let's repot the plant very quickly and then we are going to add few important components. First component is famous P. Basically, it's going to help the plant to produce better root system. Famous P is available on Amazon and I would put the link in description box. The dose is 5 grams, which is 1 teaspoon. We can also apply once in 3 to 4 months, but I usually do it only once. Second component is 1 handful of hornmeal. Please note, it's not bone meal. It's hornmeal and it's better than bone meal. I bought this from local store but available on Amazon as well. Please try to use hornmeal for better result, or if it's not possible, please use either bone meal or rock phosphate. You can apply hornmeal once in 30 to 40 days. We are almost done, and here is the final component which I am going to add. This is a systemic fungicide, and you can see the composition on the screen. Instead of this, you can also use soft fungicide. Sprinkling just few on top. We have repotted our plant, and to protect our plant from fungus attack, applying this fungicide. Please note that if there is any fungus attack, Adenium is going to rot very quickly just after repotting, and to prevent this, we are using the systemic fungicide. If rainfall in your place is quite high and you are wondering how to save Adenium during rainfall, then you can do something like this. Even though rainfall in my place is quite high, I usually don't do it as I am using good potting soil mix. After doing everything, please keep the pot in shady area for next 2 to 3 days, and then you can keep the pot under direct sunlight. Other than the adeniums, we all love roses. Getting lots of flowers on roses is not difficult if we do few very important things. If you want to know how to get lots of flowers on roses, please check out my next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening update. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and enjoy.